Welcome to Ledge, an AI-powered accounting operations platform for finance teams. My name is Donna, an accounting success manager, and today I'm going to be showing you how Ledge can automate and streamline your journal entry posting process. Let's start with the homepage. This is your landing page where you can get a quick snapshot of your team's progress month to date so you can stay on top of your journal entry posting. Further below, the general ledger posting analysis shows metrics on which record types are waiting for you in the posting queue, ready to be posted to your ERP. You can also get a quick glance of your uncaptured transactions and how many of your records have already been posted for the period, as well as a quick link to their audit trail. To view all of your different posting records, you can navigate to the Transactions page, select the relevant data source, and view your transaction status in the GL posting column to see which records are uncaptured and which ones got recorded. You can also filter on record type. In this case, select journal entry and view them this way. A gray journal entry box indicates that the record has yet to be posted to your ERP. Clicking on the box takes you directly to Ledge's ERP posting queue. Here in the posting queue, you can review all of your different journal entries that were generated in Ledge and approve and post them to your ERP. Regular journal entries can be automatically generated per each transaction. You can edit any of the fields as necessary, and custom dimensions are configured for you exactly as they are in your ERP and pre-populated from the transaction so that no manual work is needed. A memo field can also be added and dynamically pre-populated with any field from the transaction. An FX exchange rate can also be incorporated as Ledge supports all FX use cases. Ledge can also automatically generate intercompany journals by recognizing when an internal transfer between subsidiaries occurs and automatically generating the journal entry that accounts for this. And Ledge also supports aggregated journal entries for multiple transactions and can configure for any cadence, be it daily, weekly, or monthly, and for any time zone your company is based in. From your aggregated journals, you can click on View Transactions and see exactly which transactions the entry was aggregated on. In the meantime, Ledge AI is also working around the clock to detect patterns and generate suggestions for journal entries for all different types of journals based on historical records in your ERP and your ongoing posting from Ledge. Here in the purple box, you can review the reason for the journal suggestion based on the parameters and key identifiers that Ledge AI generated on. Human in the loop comes into practice as you ultimately need to review the suggestion and approve and post the journal to the ERP yourself. Apart from Ledge AI's suggested journals, all regular, aggregated, and intercompany journals are generated based on custom, highly configurable rules, which are created from the Flows and Rules section of the platform and navigating to Accounting. Here in the Accounting page, you can create a new journal entry rule, select the data source, and add any conditions you want. You can select any of the fields from your data table, and then configure the journal entry. Any field in the journal's configuration can come from the transaction dynamically and doesn't need to be a static value. So one general rule will catch all kinds of transactions. And all journal entry fields are connected via live API integration to your ERP. So any change to your ERP will also be automatically reflected in Ledge. Once you've created your journal entry rules, journals are automatically generated back in the journal entry posting queue. Once you've reviewed your auto-generated journals, you can approve and post them straight to your ERP. Once posted, you can follow the journal through to the audit trail page, where you can see the user who posted it, when it was posted, and the external ID in your ERP. You can copy this external ID and find the posted journal entry right in your ERP. This wraps up this brief demo on how Ledge can streamline your journal entry posting process and support your accounting operations seamlessly.